It starts with
one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in.
What up, guys? Lord Wolf of Chaos, and we're back with another Bleach reaction. It has been a little while, like I said, but I am getting back into the groove with things. Just had to take some time and refocus. But here we are. I'm mad because I actually have not finished the show. So we are about, what, 2 to 3 episodes away from being done with the season. And without further ado, let's get into this. Now, Ichigo is on the verge of trying to get a new Zanpakuto because his old one broke. We found out that Ichigo is a Quincy, which makes Ichigo super OP. You know, Soul Reaper, Quincy. And yeah, the 13 guard got smacked. Head captain RIP. We didn't lose any other big people except for, what's her name? I can't remember her name, but Kenpachi just like killed her. And which I'm just like, we couldn't just have 2 Kenpachis, but okay, whatever. Law and rules is rules. So, man, without that though, this show's been amazing. And without further ado, let's get it.
今回ばかりはどれだけ必死でやっても無駄なんだって。僕は今までに打ったすべての朝打ちのありかを知っている。レンマを経てそれを根源であり根幹。絶対の摂理。僕らゼロ番隊の残白刀も、そして古神無頼のザラキケンパチでさえ。死神の視界から奪うとを目覚めさせた死神はただの一人も癒しねえ。自分の魂のありかをな。おう、イチゴ、久しぶりじゃねえ。逃げやがったな。
と思ったら死にそうな顔してきやがって。親と喧嘩した女子高生か。
ごめん。いくみさん、ありが。
I'm dead.
そんな何回も謝るぐらいなら。いたずらだったみたいだ。
Yeah.
いくみさん。
Dad had to pull up on you one time.
俺帰るわ。もう大丈夫だから。
ああ、ちょっと。
Dad gave him that look like, you know, bring your ass home, boy. Yep. You don't.
今がその時だ。よく聞けよ。お前は死神じゃねえ。だが。
The big reveal that half of us know about. Does that mean Aizen knew that Ichigo is a Quincy, his mom? Oh, that's right. He was a captain. Oh, so the ice guy took over for him? Oh, so he used to be squad 10. Damn, it's crazy to see Ichigo's dad as a Soul Reaper. That's crazy because I've never seen these 3 in a scene in the current show, which would make sense. We're getting a light. Oh shit, Aizen. That was before Aizen became known, like when he was plotting.
では精錬の様子は
She
どう
looks
で
like
す
a
か？
Quincy mom.
精錬はまあぼちぼちです。
ぼちぼちとは何ですか？
Trying to remember if he's familiar.
何言ってんのリエちゃん。許すも何も怒ってなんかないって。坊ちゃまはクイーンシーの婚姻に喜ぶ
やつで釣ってみるか。すげえ、これが柴田。
Ooh, my man Ichigo's dad is. Oh. My boy split his head off. Is it me or he resembles Ichigo a little bit? Like Ichigo's hollow form? He has a resemblance to Ichigo's hollow. He said, "That ain't got nothing to do with us. Mind your business." Yeah, bro. Oh.
考えて行動するのすごくリュウちゃんのいいところ。
And that's where Ichigo gets his pure heart from.
今のはなんだ。
You could tell.
ゼロか。ソウルソサエティに。
Yo, that is a resemblance to Ichigo's.
誰の差し金だ。
Oh, Aizen.
残白刀のそれだった。死神だ。後ろでホワイトとは皮肉な名だ。 もがれても元気だな。大したもんだ。計画外の事象です。排除。
Man, Aizen, yo.
それなら。
バカ野郎、何を。
Oh. Nah, Ichigo's mom's a gangster. She said, "Bang." Nah, that move was so sick. She said, "Bang."
私がクイーンシーだと知ったら死神のこの人
She a
は
real
どう
nigga.
するだろう。私は黒崎正樹。
And go bang.
そっか、クイーンシーか。実物見るのは初めてだ。いやー、生でクイーンシー見る。
Ba 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 ba. It's cool because you can see where both sides of Ichigo came from. And Ichigo's like mad accepting of whoever, but then the kindness that his mom.
最終段階の転移まで行ったということだ。それをクイーンシーにとんだ出来損ないだ。
あえて最も自らと相反する存在であるクイーンシーを選んだ。その先を見てみた。
So that, yep, I knew it. Oh, so that is tough, man. That is tough. So basically, that's how Ichigo got his holification powers. The Quincy that his mom pretty much head tapped bit him, which then when she had a baby with Ichigo's dad, that extra, you know what I mean? Like, oh, Aizen technically didn't, he had a plan set in motion that which got interrupted by Ichigo's parents, which then he capitalized and made Ichigo. However, wasn't counting for the fact that Ichigo would be an OP character, which eventually would lead to his downfall. I mean, because I said it, the second I seen that hollow, the hollow looks just like Ichigo's hollow form. So that was the form that somehow he passed it on to Ichigo's mom, like some essence, and then she had a baby, and it's like, huh, well, there you go. Fucking Soul Reaper, Quincy, Hollow Baby, Ichigo. Which is crazy, because I miss Ichigo's Hollow. Ichigo's Hollow side was super fucking fun. Like, White Zengetsu, oh man. But that was dope. Like, and it's crazy, because It's crazy because we never really got to see Ichigo's dad interact with any of the other Soul Reapers. Like, he just kind of like dipped, quit, and then, you know what I mean? With the exception that he pulled up on Aizen, which, you know, Aizen knew. So it was like, we've never seen him interact with anyone else. And he used to be, what, Squad 10? So, to see Shorty, and then to me, Shorty's boobs got bigger from then till now. That shit is crazy. I cannot wait. I fucking love this show. I kind of wish they would have did a movie introducing Ichigo's parents just to see like the full representation of them because they look so cool. But I understand. And then Ichigo's ties to the Quincy head captain, which like we about to get some serious shit going. I mean, we just confirmed that Ichigo can just get more stronger. Like, he's one of my favorite characters, regardless of how OP he used to be or is, because he is OP. You know what I mean? Like, Ichigo somehow will match a captain's power or enemy's power, beat them, and then it's like he ups and down, protected by plot armor or whatever you call it. But that shit is pretty dope. I'm kind of glad we got to see his mom. I'm tight though. His mom looks like, again, you can see the resemblance in the sense of his nature. Like, Ichigo's goofy in a way, but you see it from his dad, but his good heart, he gets it from his mom. So that's just dope. I fucking love it. I cannot wait for the next episode. Guys, we're back. You know what I mean? 2 more episodes, and then we shall be waiting for the another part of this season. But until next time, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button if you're a Bleach fan. Until next time, Lord Wolf of Chaos, and out.